Previously, in our last episode, and just ahead, OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of two cats. G here from OG Creations.
This fucking guy again!
The year? 2024.
And it's a year I do believe I can safely say is going to be a draining one. You couldn't even turn to a single channel without seeing a hate-spewing racist screaming at the top of their lungs or tweeting out some shit, or another giving a handy in the middle of a musical. And that is a place of worship for some people.
Why are you still talking? It's making me nauseous. Everything you say is bullshit.
And wouldn't that story have been better if it was about this one? No one was surprised that it was about the dollar store knockoff of Gun-Toting Barbie. If we could simply Hunger Games 50 of these
Fucking cunts!
And the worst part about it, you know the dial's going to be ratcheted all the way up because it's an election year. We will all need to remember to breathe and find something that will give us peace.
I bring you peace.
This is
My hairy hole.
And that, my friends, is exactly where today's inspiration piece comes from.
My hairy hole.
While I was looking for peaceful winter desktop images, I came across this Northern Lights image, and after getting lost in
My hairy hole.
all those shades of green, I decided I needed to attempt to recreate it. I'm going to start with another button down this week, this time in white, and I'm just gonna add color. Remember to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. It's time to get started. I'm starting with a white 98% cotton regular fit built-in flex button down from Old Navy. Here I'm using the Geode technique. I'm gathering the material in wadded up sections and secure it using wax thread known as Sinew. I then move down an inch or so and secure it again. I repeat this over and over again. It is soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes before being set aside for 24 hours until it's practically dry. I apply liquid dyes in a gradation pattern from tip to center, starting with my lightest shade, Lime Pop, and working my way down using Granny Apple and New Emerald Green. It is set aside for 1 hour before I flip it over and apply additional dye using the same pattern. I then set it aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I add it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. What a transformation, from stark white to such a vibrant trio of greens. You can absolutely see how this inspiration photo translated onto the fabric. So much so you can almost see the gases dancing across it. Almost. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the section below. I do love responding to everyone. Plus, it really does help with this fucking algorithm for all new viewers to find this channel, and that's the whole goddamn point. So please comment away. I'd appreciate it. And as always, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next week.